Okay, after you click the link on Canvas, you should be brought to this homepage of the Testing and Education Reference Center. So we're going to answer a few questions here that will take us to our practice ACT tests. So we first have to indicate that we are a high school student and we want to prepare for a test. It is a college entrance exam. And now we can click ACT Prep. So we're going to scroll down a little bit and you should see something called ACT Online Course. So go ahead and click the down arrow and click Start Now. At this point, we will need to register for an account. So simply input your information. Choose a username and a password. And choose a security question. Hit sign up now. I do recommend that you go ahead and save your password. That way if you forget it, it's already saved in your computer for you. And at this point, we are ready to get started. So if you take a look at the right side of your screen, you'll see that it says select a pre-assessment to begin. We are going to select the reading pre-assessment. And you are now ready to begin your practice test. You will have 35 minutes to answer 40 questions. Notice up here that you can jump from one question to another. You do not have to go in order. The passage will appear on the left-hand side of your page, and the questions will appear on the right-hand side. You'll simply click on an answer to select it as your choice. You can also mark a question so that you can come back to it later on. You'll notice when I clicked mark, now there's a star that comes up next to question 1. Okay? When you're finished with your exam, you're going to want to score it. Okay? Now, I do recommend doing this in one sitting, so you shouldn't need the save and exit button.